Hi, I am Mark and today I will tell you everything you need to know about Earlybird morning cocktail before you actually buy this product. But before that, does it look like you when you wake up in the morning?
Get out of my room!
This is morning me. Mornings are not her thing. That's why tonight I'm going to make Morning Jackie Club Earlybird's morning cocktail.
Me too. I also have really important alert, so pay close attention to what I will tell you. When you decide to make the Earlybird morning cocktail purchase, be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because the Earlybird morning cocktail is only sold on the official website. This amazing product is not sold in Amazon, eBay or any other marketplace. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So, what is Earlybird morning cocktail? And does it actually work? The Earlybird morning cocktail is a delicious blood orange mimosa flavored drink to provide your body with: number 1, powerful electrolytes to instantly hydrate; number 2, clear energy; number 3, increase motivation mood so you can feel accomplished by 10 a.m. And the answer is yes. Earlybird morning cocktails works because we tasted a new morning cocktails every day for over 400 mornings, weighing, blending and flavoring, until we discovered the perfect combo of 3 Nootropic Blends. The Earlybird morning cocktails give you energy, motivation and actually what your body and brain needs. We identified that they are a natural formula where the magic happens. Electrolytes, better than water; antioxidant blend, a blend to make you feel good; ashwagandha to combat annoying morning brain fog; L-theanine promotes moody energy and intense focus; T-bromine give you that warm and fuzzy feel good feeling; Pyricaf and Inferenergy give you a mental jumpstart; Neurofactor provides elevated focus and mood; Biopyrene make all ingredients more bioavailable; L-tyrosine improves mental performance, alertness and memory. Also, for Earlybird morning cocktails to work, you need to take a treatment seriously. You need to take every single day through 4 simple steps. Number 1, fill your shaker with water. Number 2, add 1 scoop of Earlybird. Number 3, shake and put on your nightstand. Number 4, when alarms going off, shake and drink. Then, feel your brain turn on and be ready to go down. You can trust in this product. There are many people have great results with Earlybird morning cocktails, and you can have results as well. I want to share with you real people with real results and invite you to be a next happy customer here. Look these reviews, extremely higher 5 stars reviews. Feel free to come back here and give yours too. Also, important for you know, Earlybird morning cocktails has no side effects since it's a natural. Important things you would like to know is clear energy through natural ingredients, motivation through nootropic, superchange and hydration through electrolytes, high quality ingredients, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carbs and no artificial coloring. Before you buy, you need to know you can actually test Earlybird morning cocktails for 60 days, no snooze guarantee. Yes, 100% refund. Plus, you can keep your cocktail shaker if you are not satisfied with Earlybird. I am so happy to make this honest review for you and share how Earlybird morning cocktails change my days and make my wake ups early easier. Remember, I left the official website link below on the description for you. I really hope this video helped you, and also I hope that Earlybird morning cocktails actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. See ya!